back to Cooking in Quarantine with Mary. I'm Mary, and today we are making cream cheese scrambled eggs. This is a really easy breakfast. It's only 3 ingredients. We're just gonna get started. We are going to scramble some eggs. So just however you scrambled eggs, I have 9 eggs here. This feeds me and the boys for breakfast. My boys eat a lot though, so you have to tailor this to your family. We're just going to start scrambling the eggs. I like to add a little bit of salt and pepper to my eggs at the beginning while they're cooking. We're going to let these cook just till right before they're done, and then we're going to add in our other ingredients. This is a very different take on your normal scrambled eggs. Hopefully something different that you've not tried before. Turn up our heat just a little bit. I don't like to mess with my scrambled eggs too much. I don't want to over stir them. We're just going to kind of let them hang out for a second. I have green onions that I've already chopped for this recipe. You could use green onions or chives. And then I have half of a stick cube of cream cheese that I've already kind of cut into pieces. We're going to throw that in with the eggs at the end, and it's going to melt and kind of make a sauce over the eggs. And so I have it diced up into little small pieces so that it melts really easy, and then we don't overcook our eggs. We don't want overcooked eggs. Kind of stir this here. This makes a really good breakfast, but also we like to do breakfast for dinner a lot. And so this is really good for breakfast for dinner. Today we're just going to have it with toast. That's how we normally have it, but it would be good with bacon and sausage, pancakes, any breakfast that you guys do. So our eggs are just about done. Nothing's liquidy anymore. I'm going to turn down our heat just a little bit and throw in our cream cheese, and I'm going to throw in our green onions. We're not trying to cook the green onions, so we don't have to worry about that. And then you can just add as much or as little of the green onions as you like. We like a lot of them. And then I'm going to kind of cover the cream cheese with the eggs to try to help it melt faster. So let them hang out underneath some of these eggs for a second. And then I'm going to add more salt and pepper so that the kind of sauce that it's making is flavored as well, not just the eggs, the sauce that the cream cheese is making. I like lots of salt and pepper for the sauce part. So we're just going to start kind of breaking up the chunks of the cream cheese that are starting to melt. And we're going to let it cover. And you can have little chunks of cream cheese in with your cheese. That's fine. Other people might not want any chunks, so it's up to you how chunky you leave it. But you can kind of see it's starting to coat the eggs with the cream cheese. So pretty much this is all there is, guys. We're just letting this melt, and then we're going to serve it up on a plate with some toast. That's what's in here. Let's see the finished product. This is kind of a fancy, version of scrambled eggs, but it's not hard. And we end up eating this at least once a week, especially during the week. This is something I can make for the kids even during the week before work because it's so fast. Pretty much that is it. That is our cream cheese scrambled eggs. I'm going to dish this up a little bit. So I hope you guys try this recipe and that you like it as much as we do. Thanks for spending some quality quarantine cooking time with me.